Hi everyone, welcome to Venmark's Mother's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare chole masala. So let's get into the recipe. Soak 250 gram of chole overnight. Add some salt to it and then close the lid of the cooker and let it get cooked till 5 whistles. The chole are ready. These are all the ingredients required for this chole masala. Now take 3 onions and make the paste of it. Now add some oil in an utensil. Then add half teaspoon of hing. Then add some curry leaves and stir it well. Then add the onion paste. Stir it well. Grind 3 tomatoes and make its puree. Once the onion paste is dried, add the tomato puree and stir it well. Now add sugar as per your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Then mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then stir it well. Once the masala gets fried well, add the chole into it. Now mix it well. Add little water into it. Now let it get cooked on a low flame. Add salt as per taste. Then add finely chopped fresh coriander. And the chole masala is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you like this recipe then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So that's Mocha Shop.